sana ya?
Bakso apa mbak? Dua bakso.
Iya.
If you happen to stroll around this neighborhood right after dusk, you'll witness a pretty unique sight. There's this humble little street stall. The lights just came on, but a crowd is already waiting outside. Yep. Without missing a beat, the line instantly stretches down the street. They've literally just opened. Anyone passing by can't help but look and wonder,
Sana ya?
what's everyone queuing up for? The answer is simple: a bowl of legendary chicken noodles that opens every single day right after the Maghrib call to prayer. And tonight, we're joining the line.
Bakso apa mbak? Bakso apa ini?
While we wait for our turn, just look at them work. The seasoning base is straightforward, but the aroma coming off it? Absolutely mouth-watering. The noodles are boiled to absolute perfection, not overcooked, not underdone. Now, the real secret behind this long line lies right here, in the texture. These noodles are incredibly smooth, soft, and melt in your mouth tender. The savory chicken oil coats every single strand, making every bite deeply flavor-packed. And they certainly don't skimp on the toppings. You get generous chunks of tender braised chicken, seasoned to perfection, a balanced mix of savory and slightly sweet that never feels overly heavy. But hold on, here's the real star of the show, the broth. Poured piping hot, it looks light, but it's loaded with flavor. One sip, and wow, it is so refreshing. A rich, natural chicken flavor that pairs amazingly with those soft noodles. Add a spoonful of chili, and it's pure perfection. It's no wonder this place is constantly packed, day in and day out. From the very first bite to the last drop of soup, it's pure comfort in a bowl. The ultimate cure for those late-night cravings. And the best part? You can enjoy this entire bowl of goodness starting from just 10,000 rupiah. Talk about an absolute steal, right? Remember, they're open every day right after Maghrib. So, when are you lining up for a bowl? Make sure to get here early before they sell out.